What is up? This is Kay from Kay and Kwes. We are about to go ahead and do a vlog for you guys today. I know this is a little different per usual. I think this will be super fun and we're trying this new experience so that way we can kind of let you guys get to know us more on like a normal basis other than sitting at the coffee break. I'm about to go ahead and get my things together. Kwes just got off of work, so we're about to head out so we can do this vlog with you guys. Stay tuned. Yeah.
What do you want your driver name to be? This is our driver Gula. Our driver Gula is going to take us to our destinations today. Gula, say hello.
Hello, my girl. She paid me $2,500 to come up here and drive for this video thing.
Alright, so Chestini, aka Gula, is gonna take us to go get our things for our detox waters.
We're gonna hit up a staple, Walmart, Wally World. Y'all know you go to Wally World. We're gonna stop by there so we can get some mason jars to put our detox waters in. And then we'll actually get the produce from probably Safeway.
Yeah, it's the safest way to go. I'm not getting produce.
You don't want to get produce from
Produce
Walmart.
is hit or miss. Yeah, like there's certain things you're like, okay, this is kind of safe. But there's certain things it's like a no.
Right, like a no. So we'll go to Safeway for that. You will see what we get to make our detox water so that you guys can have good water to give you guys a slimming waist and to help with your digestion.
That light was like making
that's
my
why I look
forehead
this
be
way.
more.
Blinding. Oh, it's on aisle 9 now?
I don't know why.
Oh, because I'm putting it on a vlog. So you tell me where the mason jars are. So we're supposed to be getting the mason jars.
I think before we start this journey with you guys, we should at least have our little like snack before we commit to this, because I feel like this is going to be a very full commitment.
Yeah.
And those hot Cheetos are looking really good right now.
I haven't had hot Cheetos in a minute. Like
hot Cheetos. It's a small bag though.
Hot Cheetos and Takis. Hot Cheetos and Takis. Can't get enough. These are big ones for $4.88.
Okay, so we found the mason jar, so now we're about to head to Safeway so that we can go ahead and get the fruit for the detox water. We need grapefruit mint. The grapefruit was grapefruit mint.